What is up, guys? It is Hey Sophia, and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be using a face cam, and I'm also going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a Roblox Gfx. So what you want to do is you want to go find Roblox Studio, which I'm opening up right now. Once it's opening, you want to go make a new base plate. It doesn't have to be like something crazy because you're not going to be saving it, but what you want to do is you want to go to plugins and you want to go to the manage plugins. Here you'll find the plugins you have. I already have it, but I'll show you how to find it. You need to download it out of Roblox Studio. You can't download it out of the site Roblox. You want to go to find plugins and you want to go search it up. It's called load character, but you'll probably find it. It's the first thing you'll find. So all you have to do is press it, and since I have it installed, all you press is install. I don't know, it depends for you, but you might have to restart your Roblox Studio to find it. Anyway, I'm exiting out of it. So you just go to plugins and you press the load character. That's your plugin. So what you want to do is you're going to type in your character or whatever you want to do. You can do Dr. Trey blocks, anyone. So we want to press spawn R6. Okay, so you'll find it has to be R6 so you can, because it's easier and it works better that way. So you see your character over here. If you go to the left, right, and to explore you'll find workspace, and then just go down a bit and you'll find your character. If you press it, your character should highlight. So what you want to do is you're going to double click it and you want to go to export selection, and you're going to name it whatever you want. So you want to, I would recommend making a folder for it. I made a folder for the desktop. It's called Roblox stuff. You want to press save and you can just exit out of it. Yes. Oh wait, no. You would just want to exit it. You don't have to save. So what you want to do is you want to go to Blender. Blender is a completely free program, software, whatever you want to call it, and it is really easy. You don't have to pay for anything. So when you load it, it will look confusing. Don't worry. What you want to do is you want to press this. Press this block. Okay. So when you do it, you go to the left and press delete. And then what you want to do is you want to go up here to File, and you want to go to Import. And when you go to Import, you want to go to Wavefront OBG. So once you go there, you're going to go where you saved it, and you want to find it. So once you find your thing, 1 second. This might take a Roblox vendor. Okay, so once you find it, I'm just going to click on a random one. Oh, here. So once you find it, you're going to make sure you're pressing the OBJ one. You're going to double click it, and once you find it, you're going to turn it. Oh, and to turn it, just go down here. You see this little like green, blue, red one next to global. You want to press it, and you want to go to the curved sign. That lets you curve it, and the arrow here lets you move it around. So like that. And also, this I don't use it that much, so just ignore that one. So what you want to do, so you can, since it's gray and you're like, oh, that's not how my character should look like. You want to go to that tiny plus button up here. You're going to press it, and you're going to scroll down until you find shading and ambient occlusion. So let's do that right now. So over here, you're going to find ambient occlusion. But first, you also have to press textured solid. That would give you the ability to see the your character, and that is a good thing. So what you want to do is you want to go over here to this earth looking thing. You want to check off all of these environment lighting, whatever, and then what you want to do is you want to go down here. You want to go to shading, and you want to go to sky, and you want to turn it to transparent. So when you load render it, it's going to have a transparent background, meaning you can put it anywhere you want to. So what you're going to do is you're going to press A so everything's not highlighted. And you're going to click the body part that you want to move. What you want to do is you want to go down here to object mode, and you want to switch it to edit mode. So as said here, the arrow moves it around, so you want to move your arm away from the body. And you want to press the curve so you can have a simple wave like that. So let's just make it so it can fit in the body. So by doing that, you just created your first movement for a GFX. To move around, I'm on Mac, a laptop, so it's a tutorial for that. You're going to press Option and right click and move around like that. So by doing that, you can see if there's like any you want to move your character a bit more or whatever like that. So once you have it, so like you like it, it's all okay, which I'm still kind of moving around, but I think that's pretty much okay. You're going to press A so it's not highlighted, and here is a, a part where like you may have trouble on, you may not, depends. What you want to do is you want to go to here. So over here, find the word subdivide. Oh wait, you have to highlight it, press A, and you want to press the word subdivide. And once you subdivided, probably like one time, you want to go scroll down and you want to press remove doubles. Then press A so everything's not highlighted. Make sure there's nothing highlighted in the arm because that can mess up what you're about to do. You're going to press Control and you're going to see it has this like you get to like choose what you want to highlight. So over here you want to highlight the part of the arm you want to move, and we're moving the top part. So you're going to do that. So when you're done highlighting the part you want to move, you want to switch to curve mode if you're doing what I'm doing, and you want to curve it like so like his arm's more realistic kind of looking, and you want to move it a bit. I mean, like something like that. Like, isn't that cool? So you want to maybe back it up and curve it. I mean, that's all you have to do. It's really simple. Just make sure you do like I said, subdivided and something like that. And there you go. You have your arm curved. Maybe move it back a bit. I mean, yeah. And just press A to unhighlight it, and maybe I could like edit it a bit. Like kind of tilt it a bit more to give it to make it look more normal. Maybe if I tilt it a bit more here. So that is a tutorial how to like kind of like morph the character's limbs. And if you need to edit, just press A again. Make sure nothing's highlighted. Then just you know, do what I said. You have to choose the stuff you want to move, and then yeah, it's pretty simple. So yeah, so that's how you do it. If you want to go, and you have to do this stuff in edit mode, in object mode, while you're moving limbs, like it does like that. Like if you don't want to do it like that, just go to edit mode and it'll be more simple. Press A to unhighlight it, and then there you go. Your character. You can. I'm gonna like, since you know those stuff, you can like do more things with it, like by just based on the facts I just taught you. Move this a bit, and then maybe like have a little let's try moving this. Whoops, okay. And then, yeah, kind of like a little cake or something. It's just cool stuff. It's really easy. First appearance may look really hard. So what you want to do is make sure, if it doesn't work, like it doesn't like form a box like this when you press 0, what you want to do is you want to go to File, and you want to go to User Preferences. When you go to User Preferences, you want to go to Emulate Numpad in Input. When you go there, you just want to check it off. Make sure it's checked off. And it should probably work after this. So exit out of it and press 0. 0 will take you to this like little like camera screen. You want to press Shift F. It'll let you move around. So what you want to do is you want to move around, take a picture of the character you want. That's in here, and be aware you can add more characters. I just added one, but you can always add more. What you want to do is you want to go to the camera, make sure it's highlighted, and you want to press render. So once it's rendered, you have your rendered character looking all nice, fancy, nice. Okay, you want to go down to image in the bottom, and you want to press save as image. Now you want to go to wherever you want to save it. I'm saving it to my folder, Roblox stuff, and you want to name it Sofia Blender. Yeah, things, and you want to just save it over here, and then once you're done, you can just exit it. You don't have to save, and once you exit it, if you go to your folder or wherever you saved it to, I'm going there, Sofia Blender. So all you have to do is press it, and there you go. It's the Roblox figure you just did. I mean, it's that simple. It's really easy. So yeah, so that's, guys, how you make a Roblox GFX. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a comment for more videos, and to like the video, and to also subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!